how to get message request for friend of friend on Facebook. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, go to Facebook application. Here in Facebook homepage, go to menu on the lower right side on your screen. But if you use Android phone, you can see on the upper right side on your screen. And I use iOS, so go to menu on the lower right side on your screen. Okay, tap menu. Here in menu, go to gear icon on the upper right side on your screen. Tap the gear icon. Here in settings and privacy, scroll down and go to audience and visibility section. Here you can see the how people find and contact you. So you can tap this. And now here below, okay, you can see here the how you get message request. And okay, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to get the message request for friend of friend on Facebook. Okay, this settings is set into message request. So you can tap this to change. And okay, here the option. So you can set into chat, message request, or don't receive request. And okay guys, I decide to set into chat. And okay, here group message requests won't be delivered to your chat list. Remember, not all messages are message requests. And after you set, okay, tap the save button below, and that's it. Okay, we have successfully set the message request for friend of friend on Facebook. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.